Before you get started with Moulage or special effects makeup, you should be thinking about safe hygiene practices. Now, we're all becoming hyper aware of hand hygiene and other techniques, but there are key things that you should be aware of when you are applying makeup to a real person. The first being, check what the local policies are and what the state or national laws might be where you're applying the makeup. The second, what you want to think about is minimizing the risk to the other person. So you're first thinking about your skin. Do you have broken skin areas? Are your cuticles infected? What does the other individual's skin look like? Are there areas of broken skin there or cuts? You want to avoid those areas because that will increase your risk of infection. Another tip is to use disposable applicators. So whether that's a disposable sponge or disposable spatula, if you don't have access to those and you're using reusable equipment, then you should absolutely be cleaning them between uses, first with hot soapy water and then disinfecting with alcohol. Always complete hand hygiene in between activities, moving from person to person or introducing a new technique. And instead of applying makeup directly from the container itself, you should move it or decant it onto a palette. And by that, I mean using a palette knife to take some of the creams and pop it on the palette so that you're not using your sponge or double dipping within the makeup itself. This will reduce the risk of infection and it will also lengthen the life of your equipment. And last but not least, always clean your equipment right at the end of using it. Don't leave your makeup dirty when you chuck it back in the box. Be sure that your equipment is clean for the next time that you're about to use it.